KOAM News now, Joplin News first. Pickup overturned.
So are both of you doing the KOAM gig?
No, I do a freelance independent stuff.
Oh, okay.
I got the four big videos out there on Facebook.
Oh, okay. You're the one. I watch that a lot.
Yeah, I do a lot of bug stuff. I do a lot of stuff.
Crash happened about 11:45 this morning, just before noon. And Carl Junction police tell us a northbound vehicle here on Joplin overturned, leaving the roadway to the right. No one was injured, they say, due to wearing seatbelts when walked away from it.
Especially for us, yeah.
Keep in mind, that's not blood coming out of the front of the hood there. It was leaking a lot of fluids.
That's why she's so good at it.
Carl Junction Fire Department had to stop up some of those fluids, overturn probably for all that stuff there. KOAM News now, once again, wearing their seatbelts, 2 occupants not injured. If you tap the screen, click the bit link. He said if they were not wearing their seatbelts, it would have had a lot different outcome, probably, obviously. A crash like this, someone could easily have been ejected from the vehicle. We'll show you they left the roadway clear up here on the, almost there by that intersection there, just a little bit past it. Speed and the conditions of the roadway, they were a little bit wet, were a factor, we're told. Oh, they're picking up the debris that they had soaked up that stuff with. It's M&M Record, KOAM News now, Joplin News first. I'm Shannon Becker. Don't forget, Sudstock is happening right now in Carthage at the Carthage Municipal Park till 3 o'clock.